Hey everyone, to give you a review on this Rinnai tankless water heater. This is a natural gas and being vented to the outside. This is installed in our garage and really love this tankless water system. You can adjust your controls here for the temperatures using these up and down here. You can set a priority as well. And this has been working great. We can take showers and run the sink hot water and no issues whatsoever. And we actually do not run out of hot water. It's constantly making sure we have enough hot water everywhere. So yeah, so if you're looking for a tankless water heater, you no longer have to worry about hot water. This is the unit to get.